Now we are going to do an unboxing of the Smooth Q Zhiyun 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. So we went and purchased it yesterday. Gonna go ahead and open it. So it comes in a white box, and this one just slides off. Got it in black color, comes in different colors. And this is what you get inside of the box. So you got the paper, user guide version 1.2, Smooth Q Zhiyun. And here we got the magic. So it comes in plastic. So this is what you get. A nice little hard package. No, it's pretty soft actually. So it's like hard, soft type of thing. And you get some bands for the case. You can put on there and there. And you get the charging cable. And that is pretty much it. So we're gonna go through this a little quick. Just see what that. Warnings. Okay, so here you have some different modes. Pan following mode, and locking mode. So we're gonna be looking at those a little bit later. Let's just open it up and see what it is. So here it is, the Zhiyun Smooth Q, and this is for a mobile. But I'm actually gonna use it for my GoPro. It fits, but it doesn't fit. I'm gonna put it on for you to show. Like that. So how this works is you're gonna hold down this button for 3 seconds. Then it turns on. So we have a different kind of modes. So as I turn, it follows me around. And you can also use the joystick to tilt. And if you push the mode button one time, you're gonna change the mode. So now you can actually go around, and it actually spins 360 degrees. And that's the reason why I shows the Smooth Q compared to the Osmo Mobile 2. Osmo Mobile 2 doesn't do this. It stops and then you have to go back. So I'm really happy with this one. You can still tilt the camera up and down. And now it's in stuck mode, so it doesn't matter what I do with this, it's always gonna be stuck on you guys. So when I do this, it's like in... so right now we are in locking mode. So the camera is locked. No matter what I do, it always stays in the same direction. And if you press it 2 times, it will go into following mode. And now it will follow wherever if I turn the camera will turn. So if I want to look at you guys, I just turn it a little bit. So in this mode you can only do it like this. And you can get some pretty nice pictures with doing this also. Press it 1 time and it goes into locking mode. And you always have 2 locking modes, one with the pan and one with just locking mode. And now you can turn it and do whatever. I can't use the record button because it's a GoPro, and I can't download the app to the GoPro. And I can't use the zoom button either. But I don't think I'm gonna use that, so I'm really happy with this one, and gonna be some pretty nice pictures. And it got a selfie mode, and when you're gonna do the selfie mode you can't be in the locking position, so you have to press it 2 times to get it into follow position, and then you can press it 3 times to get it into selfie position. And then it turns and shows the other way. So that's really good when you want to film yourself and film something you see. So I'm gonna turn the GoPro on and we're gonna show you some pictures. So I'm gonna show you a little clip of how it looks when it records. So GoPro, start recording. So right now we are in lock mode. So it doesn't matter which I turn this, it will always stay in the same position. And if I do move the joystick, I can move the camera and get really smooth transitions. I can tilt the camera upside and down. And we'll get really smooth transitions. And as you can see before, it goes in 360 degrees all the way around. So it has no stop in it. And to get into selfie mode, you have to push the button in 2 times to get into lock mode, and then it goes into selfie mode. So right now I can just tilt the camera, push 3 times, and it comes back. And if I only push 1 time, it goes into locking mode. And locking mode I will always show me, this is how it looks. It doesn't matter how I touch it, it will always stay the same. And if I go into following mode with 2 buttons, it will follow me, or follow the direction of where I'm pointing, and go into a smooth transition to where I go. If I move it fast, it will go a little bit faster. It takes a little while, but yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in the next time. And leave a comment if you're wondering about anything. Push the like button. If you're not subscribing, please subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye!